One of our main goals was to be able to offload the actual menial tasks from our operators and our employees so that we can use them to better gauge the way we run our business and to measure the parts and do the more upscaled jobs. So the reason we wanted to do automation is to take that load off of our people so that we can push them further into the company. The way it used to work is the operator would be standing by the machine. When the mold opens, the operator is presented with a part that's ejected from the machine. The part is roughly 280 to 300 degrees. So the operator would have to open the door, reach in, grab the part, and then bring it out and then put it into a annealing bath. It's a lot of work, a lot of up and down on the catwalks, and a lot of timing was involved because you had to have 3 into the annealing, 2 come out of the annealing, 1 goes into the annealing. It was a lot of like, well, which one did I put in there last? So this robot has offloaded all of the extra work. It's putting the parts into the annealing bath as it gets it out of the machine. So all of that has been automated. So every time we make a part, the part is the same from the start to the finish. So that's what we're getting is consistency in our parts. And we're offloading all of that extra physical labor that we didn't need to put on our operators.
Our goals in considering automation was mainly we're operator dependent and we want to get away from that and be able to automate a lot of that to be able to guarantee our output every day. Beforehand, our production issues were operator dependency. We had COVID to deal with, and that really made it hard for us to find people and dependable people at that. And going this route definitely helped guarantee that.
So the challenges that we addressed by putting the Formic automation cell on our press, again, it goes back to safety. So it really was coming down to operators being injured by the parts because they were so hot when they were coming off, and all of the handling that was involved. So the robot really helped us to reduce injury and also stabilize the process by having an environment for the parts to come through that allowed it to cool in a manner that was stable.